Go for the step 2.
Ma'am, second row, second column. Second row,
Yes.
second column is minus 13 by 2.
Minus 13 by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Second row, second column. R2 is minus 2. Minus 3 by 2 into 3. Minus 4, minus 9. Minus 13 by 2. Very good. Here. Then go for the step 2. Step 2 is what? Second row, second element with the pivotal element. Okay, now see corresponding row, total corresponding row, we get minus 13 by 2 and minus 13 by 2. Is it clear? Then just for simplification, I am going for minus 2 by 13. I multiply. So what is here? Minus 2 by 13 to R2. Because of R2 changes to minus 2 by 13 into R2. Is it clear? Then what we get ma here? 2370 minus 2 by 13 into minus 13 by 2. We get the 1 ma. So for that purpose, for simple calculations, minus 30 by 2, here also minus 2 by 3 multiply. Again, we will get the 1. So 0. And see here minus 9 by 2, minus 9 by 2. And R3 changes to minus 2 by 9 into R3. Is it clear? So complete row we have the same values now. For the simply corrections, simply calculations, we can use these row operations. Is it clear? So minus 9 by 2 into minus 2 by 9. Minus into minus plus 9 get cancelled, 2 to get cancelled, we will get the 1. So this one also say minus 9 by 2 into minus 2 by 9, we will get the 1 here. Completed. Okay. Now in the step 2, actual step 2 is what? The second row, second element with the pivotal. By using of this pivotal element, we need to change this element into the 0. Okay, below that element. Now this is in the R3. So R3 changes to R3 minus pivotal is what ma here? R2 second element we are using. Now the reduced matrix is what here? 2, 3, 7, 0, 1, 1. R3 minus R2, 0 minus 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0 again. Now this is the principal diagonal elements and principal diagonal line this one. And below the principal diagonal elements are done zeros and using the row operations. So which is nothing but the upper triangular matrix, which is nothing but upper triangular matrix. Now upper triangular matrix nothing but we have to call as that is a echelon form, which is echelon form. Is it clear, all of you? Hence it is echelon form. Okay, ma. Just take and write down. And what is rank of A? Here. Completed my echelon form procedure. Actually, what is the echelon form? Using the given matrix, we need to change and reduce it to echelon form. We need to find the rank after completion of echelon form we get. So in this, how many number of rows? Non-zero rows. So this is the non-zero. And this one also non-zero. And 0 row. Countless.
Very good.
Okay.
Very good.
0 row is the countless. And next, how many non-zero rows are there? 1, 2. Then the rank of A is a 2. Is it clear, all of you? What is rank of the given matrix? After changing the echelon form, after the given matrix changed into the echelon form, we need to count the number of non-zero rows. So that is a rank. Now the given matrix order is a 2. Please take a pick, all of you. Please all of you take a pic.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Thank you. I'm going to run. And echelon form, any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Any doubts, ma, from echelon form? Shall I move for the next method, normal form?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yeah, ma'am, you can.
Yeah. Next one, normal form. What is a normal form method? We have to discuss. Okay. Using the normal form, the given matrix we need to change into the normal form using the procedure. And in this, we are using the total row operations and column operations. Right, all of you? Reduce the matrix. Second problem. Normal form. Okay. Reduce the given matrix into normal form. Okay. Find rank. So what is the matrix here? It is 0, 1, minus 3, minus 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 3, 1, 0, 2, and the last one, 1, 1, minus 2, 0. Is it clear, all of you? So the matrix order is what, ma'am? 4 by 4. Clear? The matrix order is 4 by 4. Okay. What is the normal form? Normal form, which is equals to what? Identity matrix. What is identity matrix? The principal diagonal elements completely. Diagonal elements, which is equals to 1, and non-diagonal elements. Non-diagonal elements are zeros. Okay, now diagonal elements are equals to 1. Non-diagonal elements, all non-diagonal elements are zeros. That means that is called what, ma, here? Normal form or identity form or canonical form. Now, when we are using the given procedure, normal form method, using the pivotal elements only, we need to change the below elements into the zeros using row operations. Row operations completely for below the diagonals. Below diagonal elements we need to use. Okay, now we are using the column operations for adjacent of diagonal elements. Is it clear, all of you? When we are using the row operations and column operations, when we are changing the below the diagonal element, so that is a pivotal element, completely we are using the row operation. When we are changing these elements, so these are the adjacent of pivotal element, right, ma? Now in that procedure, we need to use the column operations. Okay, now see, each and every step, the pivotal element must be not equals to 0. The pivotal element must be not equals to 0. If suppose the pivotal element is equals to 0, the pivotal element is equals to 0, immediately you have to interchange the rows. Interchange the rows. Is it clear, ma? When we are interchanging the rows, only one condition. That condition is what? In starting nundi cheptune unnanu. Pivotal element, if we are getting the zero like this. When the pivotal element is a zero, in that situation, in that case only, we have to use the swapping. We have to use interchanging the rows. Otherwise, don't use the interchange operation. Is it clear, all of you? Hello? Is it clear,
Yes,
to all
ma'am.
of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
so the first pivotal element is the zero. For that purpose, we need to change that zero into any non-zero number using the interchanging the rows. So I'm going to interchange with the R2. Is it clear? Okay. R1 interchanging R2. Clear, ma? So 1, 0, 1, 1. Second row are changing now 0, 1, minus 3, minus 1. Remaining two rows are same. 3, 1, 0, 2 and 1, 1, minus 2, 0. Completed, ma. Now the problem will start here only. Okay. Now, from this only the problem will start now. Here, see. Now, the pivotal element is the 1. Below the pivotal element into the zeros. Among the three elements, only we have two elements into the zeros because of one of the element is the zero. And this is R3 and this is R4. What about the row operations here? R3 and R3. So is the must just multiply 3 into the R1. That is a pivotal row. Okay, now? And for R4, what is R4 here? R4 changes to this is a 1, this is also 1. Simply R4 minus R1. Is it clear, all of you? Now, the reduced matrix is R1, R2 are the same. That is a constant 1, 0, 1, 1. Second row, already that is a 0. There is no need to change here. 0, 1, minus 3, minus 1. Now, we go for the R3 calculations. R3 minus 3, R1, 3 minus 3 into 1. So that is a 3 minus 3, 0. 1 minus 0, 1. 0 minus 3 into 1. So that is minus 3. 2 minus 3. So that is minus 1. Is it clear, all of you? Now go for the R4. R4 minus R1 simply. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 0, 1. Minus 2 minus 1, minus 3. 0 minus 1. Here it is the minus 1. Is it wrong? Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Now go for, this is the step 1. Now go for the next step. What is the next step, all of you?
Column.
Operation, ma'am.
Yes. So this is the step 1. In the step 1, we have the two cases. Row operations completed. Then go for the column operations. Now this is the pivotal element. By using this pivotal element, we need to change these two elements into the zeros using the column. And so this is the C3 and this is the C4, right? Now we go for the C3. C3 changes to C3 minus C1 simply. This is a 1, this is a 1. And we go for the C4. C4 changes to C4 minus C1. That one also same. Clearly what we get here? 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. And C3 changes to 1 minus 1. 0, minus 3 minus 0. Minus 3, minus 3, minus 0. Minus 3, again minus 3, minus 0, minus 3. In this also same, we get 1 minus 1, 0. Remaining three elements same, we will get minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Now, okay. Then we go for the next one. So what is the next one here? Go for the step 2. Step 1, row operations, column operations completed. Now we go for the step 2. What is step 2? Again, we need to use the row operations and column operations. Okay, ma? Now, What is the here pivotal first one? So this is a pivotal element. R2 pivotal element is the one. Is it clear? R2 pivotal element is the one. We need to change below the elements, dotted elements into the zeros using the R2 pivotal. Using the R2 pivotal. Now, so this is R3 and this is the R4. R3 changes to simply calculations. Here we have the same elements are there. R3 minus R1 and R4 changes to R4 minus R1. Is it clear? There is no hard calculations, difficult calculations, simple calculations we have. Now the reduced matrix is R1, R2 students here. 540
changes to R3 minus. Yes, ma'am. R3 changes to R3. R3 minus R2, ma'am.
R2. Here. Now then R2. What is R2 here? 0, 1, minus 3, minus 1. R3 changes to R3 minus R2. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 3, minus into minus 3, plus 3. Minus 3 plus 3, 0. Minus 1, again minus into minus plus. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. Same thing, this one also, all are we will get the zeros. Now row operations completed. Immediately we go for the column operation by the pivotal element 1. R2 pivotal element is 1. Now these two elements we need to change. The two elements are in the C3 and C4 using the C2. Okay, ma? Now C3 changes to C3 plus 3C2. Is it clear, all of you? Any doubts? And C4 changes to C4 plus C2. Simple. Okay. Now the reduced matrix is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. C3 changes to C3 plus 3C2. 0 plus anyway 0. Minus 3 plus 3 into 1. So that is also 0. Minus 3 plus 3. This one 0, this one 0. And here 0. And minus 1. Plus 1, this is 0. And here it is a 0. This one also 0. Now, which is equals to 1 0 0 1 by 2 0 0. Is it clear, all of you? Any doubts? Rayachha alaga? Hello? అలా రాయొచ్చా? ఏమైందమ్మా అందరికి ఒక్క ఆన్సర్ కూడా ఇవ్వట్లేరు ఈరోజు.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is rank of A now?
2. 2, ma'am.
Order. Identity matrix order is the rank of the given matrix, or else count the number of non-zero rows. The first row is a non-zero row, the second row is a non-zero row, third and fourth row completely zero. Now we have to not countless. These two are the countless. We have to count non-zero rows. So that is 1 and 2. Only we have the 2 rows are non-zeros. Then the rank of the given matrix is a 2. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, pick all of you, please. ఆఫ్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ ఉంటే సూపర్ గా ఉండేదమ్మా మనకి క్లాస్. ఆన్లైన్ లో ట్రై చేస్తున్నాము. మీరు అలా డల్ గా ఉంటే చేస్తున్నాము, ట్రై కాదు, ఫుల్ వర్క్ ఇస్తున్నాం మేము. మీరు అలా డల్ గా ఉంటే నాకు చెప్పాలనిపించదు క్లాస్. అలా అని చెప్పి అల్లరి చేయమని కాదు. క్లియర్?
I didn't get you, ma'am.
Just you have to active in the class, mate. You have to act total class 1 hour class. You have to be the active in my class, ma, class session. If total students are in the dull position, how should I take a class, ma? Total 1 hour. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Question from my observation, only 4 or 5 members. From girls, 3 members or 2 members. From the boys are 2 members or 3 members only reacting and receiving more points. Remaining all the people are just constant. I want the answers from all the students, not only 10 members or finger numbers. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Completed?
Completed, ma'am.
Yes, completed.
Yes. Thank you. Next problem or next method?
Next
Not
method, ma'am.
Echelon form, rank, determine, method, total completed. About the rank, the methods are completed, ma total. Now we go for the linear system of equations, right? Okay. What is linear system of equation?
Madam, tell one problem in normal form, ma'am. And ఇంకో ప్రాబ్లం చెప్పండి మ్యామ్.
Normal form.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Name?
Vijay Kumar, ma'am. 542.
541, ma.
541, ma'am. I forgot by mistake.
That is your hall ticket number, I am saying. What? See, using the normal form method, we need to find the rank. Another problem I'm going to take. This is a previous problem. 3 times repeated. Write down, please, all of you. 8136 and 0322 and -8 -1 -3 4. Clear? What is the matrix order here? 3 by 4.
3 by
Okay.
4, ma'am.
Thank you. 3 by 4 that is. And into the normal form, we need to change the given matrix or reduce the given matrix into normal form. Once again, I am repeating. Normal form is nothing but the identity matrix. We need to change this matrix into the identity matrix. And here one more observation. Either the given matrix is rectangular or triangular. That means rectangular or the square matrix. We are getting the answer is that is the square only. The answer is square only. Okay, now the given matrix is a 3 by 4 matrix, that is a rectangular matrix. Is it clear? Now we need to change the matrix into normal form. What is normal form? Identity matrix. Identity matrix is always square matrix. Okay, ma? Are you get?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. See. So this is the R1 pivotal, right? By using this pivotal, we need to change below the elements into the zeros and using the row operations. And by using these adjacent elements also, we need to change using the column. ఇక్కడ వీటిని చేంజ్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు రోస్ యూస్ చేస్తాను, వీటిని చేంజ్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు కాలమ్స్ యూస్ చేస్తాను. Is it clear? Now go for the step 1. What is the step 1 here? Among the two elements, one of the element is already 0. Now we need to change this element, right? Now we go for write the operation for R3. R3 changes to R3 plus R1 pivotal. Okay, ma? The reduced matrix is 8136 and 0322. And the next one, what is the next here?
0.
-8, 0, -1 plus 1, 0, -3 plus 3, 0, 4 plus 6. So this one 10. Complete. In the step 1, not completed. Step 1 is not completed. Immediately we apply the column operations. By using of this, we need to change these 3 elements into the zeros using the column. And this is a C2. Okay, now what is C2 here? C2 changes to C2 minus 1 by
Eight.
8. 1 by 8 C1. Is it clear for all of you? Okay. Now go for the C3.
Yes, ma'am.
What
Okay.
is C3? C3 minus, here we get the 3 is there and this is the 8 is there. What is the formula? Succeeding element by preceding element. 3 by 8 into what is C1. Okay, now pivotal column is the C1. And go for the last column. C4 changes to, is it clear my last line?
6/8.
6 by 8. It is
Into
C1.
What happened, ma'am?
Madam, video was stuck. Video is not visible on the screen, ma'am.
Okay, wait. Again, I will change now. Is it clear now?
No, ma'am.
Not visible on the screen, ma'am.
Now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now it is clear, ma'am.
But board is vertical, na?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened, ma'am?
Wait. Clear, ma?
Okay, ma'am. Now okay.
Yes.
Now it is clear.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Next, 6 by 8 C1. So that is C4. Now, then we go for the reduced matrix is here. C1, 8, 0, 0. C2 also, we need to use the operation C2 minus 1 by 8 C1. 1 minus 1 by 8 into 8. So 8 get cancelled, so that will 0. And 3 minus 0, that will, anyway, we are getting the same number. That is also 0. Second column. And go for the third column. C3 minus 3 by 8 C1. 3 minus 3 by 8 into C1. What is C1 here? 8. 8 get cancelled. 3 minus 3, we will get the 0. So, this one also 0. Here it is. Now, the total column 2 minus 0. So, that is the 2. 0 minus 0, 0. Okay, now? Then go for the C4. C4 is what here? 6. Minus 6 by 8 into C1 is the 8. 8 cancel. 6 minus 6, 0. This one 0. Anyway, 2 minus 0, 2. 10 minus 0, 10. Clear? All the columns completed in the step 1. Now go for the step 2. What is the step 2 here? So this is a pivotal. Okay, ma? In the pivotal, that is the R2. Below the pivotal elements are zeros. Already we have below the 3 is already 0. There is no need.
Yeah, ma'am.
యా కాల్ వస్తుందమ్మా ఎవరో అబ్బాయి కాల్ చేస్తున్నారమ్మా క్లాస్ లో ఉండి ప్లీజ్ డోంట్ కాల్ టు మీ మా ఇన్ క్లాస్ అవర్స్ why are you giving the call to so many times ma please Is it clear, all of you?
No, ma'am. It is in vertical position, ma'am.
Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then go for the step 2. Then please 525, please mute your call. Now this is a pivotal, and below the pivotal is the 0, and adjacent elements we need to directly go for adjacent elements into the zeros. Why? Because already this is a 0, there is no row operations. Clear? Now we go for the column operations, and it is C2 pivotal right now. C3 element, C4 element we need to change. Okay, now go for C3. C3 minus succeeding element by preceding element 2 by 3 into C2. Okay, now we go for the C4. C4 changes to C4 minus, same as it is 2 by 3, succeeding element by preceding element into preceding column. What is preceding column here? That is nothing but the pivotal column C. Is it clear, all of you? Now the reduced matrix is 8 0 0. C2 also constant 0 3 0. Okay, all of you. Next, here C3 minus 2 by 3 C2. 0 minus 0. 2 minus 2 by 3 into 3, so that will 2 minus 2 0 3 3 get cancelled. Anyway, 0 minus 0 0. And here also C4 0 minus 0. 2 minus 3, 2 by 3 into 3. So also you will get 0. 10 minus 0. So that is a 10. Is it clear? Now, immediate row operations, column operations completed in this. Now we go for the step 3. What is step 3 here? Then step 3. Here, the third row, third element be the pivotal, but there is no succeeding rows here. Then stop the procedure of applying the row operations and column operations. Now here we have the last element is the 0 in the only third element, but we have the possible chance to change interchanging the columns here. Okay, now so for that purpose I'm interchanging the C4 and C3. C3 changes to interchanging to C4, right, all of you, because of we are getting what more identity matrix. For that purpose, we need to change the total 0 column into the last line. Okay, now this is a reduced matrix. Here, this is the identity matrix. Is this identity matrix?
No, ma'am.
Which is the identity matrix?
No,
What is
ma'am.
the concept of the given first? The given matrix, we need to change the now apply operations. Okay. Is that here R1 changes to R1 by 8, R2 changes to R3 by 3, sorry, R2 by 3, and R3 changes to R3 by 10. Is it clear? Same name, same element we need to division. Okay, now again we are getting the reduced matrix 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0. Is it clear? Now, so that is equals to I3. How many number of ones are there here? 3 numbers. So that is the order of the given matrix. Identity matrix. Is it clear? Now, what is the rank of A? The number of non-zero rows. The number of non-zero rows are completely, we have the 3. So this is a non-zero, this is a non-zero, this is a non-zero. So the rank of A is the 3. Is it clear? Now the identity matrix order also 3. That is the answer of the rank of the given matrix. So this is a normal form procedure, normal form method. Is it clear, all of you? Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Clear.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Clear?
No, ma'am.
Take a pic, all of you, please. Just I'm going to overview of give the linear system of equations. Consistent, inconsistent. What is linear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Next, linear system of equations. Roll number 525. Any doubts?
No doubt, ma'am.
Then we will call. What is linear system of equations? Equations are any system consisting of more than one equations. So that is a system of equation. Okay, now more than one equations in the given problem we have, that is a system of equation. What do you mean by linear system of equation? Total equations. Among all the total equations, all the variable powers are 1. All the variable powers are 1. So that equation is said to be the system of equations completely. That is a linear system of equations. Right, all of you? I'm going to give them an example. So listen. So that is what here. A11x plus A12y plus A13z, that is equals to B11 or B1. Okay, now next A21x plus A22y plus A23z is equals to B2. Clear? A31x plus A32y plus A33z, which is equals to B3. Now this is what? First equation, second equation, third equation. Among the 3 equations, how many variables are there? X, Y, and Z are the variables, right? What is the variables powers? 1. Here y power 1, z power 1. Here x power 1, y power 1, z power 1. X power 1, z power 1, z power 1, y power 1. All the 3 equations consisting of the 3 variables x, y, z. No other variable are there, only x, y, z. All the 3 variables powers are 1 only. Okay, na? All the powers of variables are equals to 556. Any doubts, ma?
Your video is not visible, ma'am.
Hello?
All is clear, ma'am.
Clear.
Take some signals, ma, please. Okay, all the variable powers are 1, so that this is a linear. Okay, now what do you mean by linear? The total system of equation, in all the system of equation, all the variable powers are 1, so that equation is said to be the linear system of equations. Right, all of you? Now this is a system of equation. More than one equations are there, so this is a system of equation. In the system of equation, all the variable powers are 1, so that is a linear system of equation. Right, all of you? Now, what is a matrix notation? Okay, now, so the matrix notation. Here it is. The matrix notation we can write. So that is what here Ax equals to B. What is A? Coefficient matrix. What is a coefficient matrix for the given system, right, ma? A11 variable coefficients we need to write. First row A12. Here it is A13. Then go for the second line. A21 second equation. Variable coefficient. Y coefficient A2. Z coefficient A23. Then go for the last one. A31 X coefficient. A32 X Y coefficient. A33. Is it clear? So this is a coefficient matrix. All the variable coefficients we can write in the coefficient matrix into. How many variables are there? We have discussed so far 3 variables. Those we have to write in the column wise X, Y, Z. Is it clear? So that is equals to B. What is B here? Constant matrix. What is the constant matrix we have? We have to write the right side complete values. We should write in the constant matrix. B1, B2, B3, that we have to also write in the column wise. So that is B1, B2, B3. Clear all of you? So Ax equals to B. Okay, ma? So which is what, ma, here? Which is what? Linear system of equation. And this is a matrix. Okay, ma? Any doubts? Up to here, any doubts, ma?
Okay, ma'am.
Next,
No
ma'am.
doubts, ma'am.
we have the 2 cases. See,
Yes, sir.
cases are Ax equals to B. And the first case, second case. Ax equals to 0 and Ax is not equal to what here? Ax equals to B. B is not equals to 0. Ax equals to 0. What is Ax equals to 0? This is a homogeneous linear system of equation. Ax equals to B. B not equals to 0. That is what here? Non-homogeneous linear system of equation. Okay, ma, all of you? What is homogeneous linear system of equation? What is non-homogeneous linear system of equation? Ax equals to 0. Ax equals to 0. Homogeneous system of equation. Ax equals to B. In this, B is not equals to 0. That is non-homogeneous linear system of equation. All of you did not? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
What is
Yes,
homogeneous?
ma'am.
What is
A is equal to 0. Ax is
Ax equals to 0, homogeneous. Ax equals to B, B not equals to 0, that is a non-homogeneous. Is it clear, all of you, please? We have the consistent and inconsistent problems are there. Simply I am going to refer the consistent problems like this. See, here, rank of A equals to rank of AB. Okay, and rank of A is not equals to rank of AB. This is what? Consistent. The given linear system of equation is the consistent when the rank of A equals to rank of AB. Augmented matrix rank and the coefficient matrix ranks are equal. So that is a consistent. If the ranks are not equals to, so which is inconsistent. Is it clear, all of you? And inconsistent have no solution. Inconsistent have no solution. Now, when the rank of A is equals to rank of AB, then that is a consistent solution. Which type of consistent solution? Again, we have the 2 types of consistent solution. So what is it here? Rank of A equals to rank of AB, which is equals to n, number of variables. So which is what, ma, here? Consistent. Up to here, this is a consistent with unique solution. With unique solution. Whereas rank of A equals to rank of AB if suppose the number of variables are more. So that is rank of A equals to rank of AB, which is less than n. N means what? Number of variables. So which is what ma here? Consistent. Consistent, this one also, but with infinite number of solutions. With infinite many number of solutions. Is it clear, all of you? Simply,
Yes,
we
ma'am.
have to simply we need to write no solution for this case. Rank of A equals to rank of AB. Okay, na? And we need to find the solution for which case ma consistent. Consistent have the two more cases. For the first one is consistent with unique solution and consistent with infinite many number of solution. These are the condition for consistent with unique. It is a condition for consistent with infinite many number of solutions. And there is no chance to rank of A equals to rank of AB is greater than n. There is no chance to we are getting the greater than number of variables. Is it clear? Only we have two chances. So the first case is this one and this one only. Is it clear? This is the linear system of equations. Consistent with unique, consistent with infinite many number of solutions. And this is what inconsistent, that is no solutions. Is it clear, ma, all of you?
Clear, ma'am.
Clear, ma'am.
Thank you. Gauss elimination, any doubts? That is the last class. Gauss elimination and Gauss ideal.
No, ma'am.
Doubts, ma'am. No doubts in that process,
So in
ma'am.
the next session, I want to start the second unit. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Start the
ma'am.
second. Or
Okay,
any
ma'am.
revision of unit 1?
No need, ma'am.
Yes, ma, thank you. So you have to prepare the mindset to be active in the class session. Is it clear? For unit 2.
Okay, ma'am.
All mindsets in the active mode, not sleepy mode. Okay. Please take care, Mala. Bye.
Thank
Bye,
you, ma'am.
Mala.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.